The Arctic and Global Prediction Program is ONR's response to the Navy's need for more research into understanding the environment and improving our predictive capability.
It's an entirely new Arctic. Things are changing up there quickly. The physics are operating differently. The ice is more dynamic. There's a lot less sea ice during the summer. The interrelationship of all the different components up there are not the same as they used to be when we studied the area 30, 40, 50 years ago. The first thrust is really to understand this new environment and understand how it works. So basic physical understanding is our first thrust. The next thrust is new observing systems. So we need sensors and systems, new platforms. It's a very harsh environment. It's very expensive to operate up there. So we have a big focus on unmanned, unattended systems, autonomous systems, remote sensing. We've been investing in new observing systems to understand what's going on in the Arctic, and then partnering with our other agencies to really build an Arctic observing network that really serves the entire national need.
We have a global Navy. Our Navy expects to operate all around the world's oceans. Because of the opening up of the Arctic, the Navy is anticipating that it might have to send surface vessels up there at some point, either for military purposes or search and rescue or oil spill cleanup or some emergency. So the Navy needs to understand that environment, which it doesn't have a lot of experience working in on the surface. And it needs also, through that understanding, to help improve computer models to help our predictive capability. And to be able to predict, for example, the ice cover, the state of the ice cover, the location of the ice edge, the nature of the ice around the ice edge, to better predict the weather wherever those ships are operating in this relatively new environment to the Navy, so that it can operate safely and effectively, so that our sailors and warfighters can be safe as they're working to help other people or serving the nation.